So today I'm just basically going to show you a ride from Hampton, New Brunswick out to Moncton, New Brunswick on a 2010 Road King Classic. This was my dad's bike, and when he passed away it became my bike. I gotta turn those headphones down. That's madness. That's just madness. Anyway, I'm just going to listen to some chill music and I'll fast forward a lot of the drive, but there's some pretty scenes in here, so I thought I'd share them. Of course, I wasn't really accounting for the phone and the windshield bar to be right in the middle of the screen. There you have it. Can't always be perfect. I'm on call tonight, so I'm not doing a long narration. Enjoy the video. Bye. Despite having the phone and everything, I managed to get lost, even though this is only about 15 minutes away from my house. I'm not used to taking the old road. Like when you're in a car, you always take the highway, obviously. Anyway, so this first part of the drive is me basically lost somewhere around Hampton. And there's some crazy dog yarking at me when I paused on the side of the road. I thought I knew better than the GPS. I thought wrong. This next part of the drive is my favorite part. This is coming up by Cornhill, and there's a place you can stop for lunch up here called Cornhill Nursery. They sell plants, obviously, but it's just a really pretty part of the province. I'm glad I had enough battery to record this bit.